Hello students, we are doing subject Shiv Chhatrapati Environmental Studies Part 2 Lesson number 7 Swaraj First Conquest. Conquest means to conquer, to win, defeat others. First conquest, पहली जीत. Welcome to Vidyabhushan English Primary School Standard 4th Online Studies. As we have seen that Shivaji Maharaj and his comrades means his friends took the oath of Swaraj in the temple of Raireshwar. But it was not an easy task to defeat these different powers. As we have seen that Maharashtra was governed by 4 different powers. It was Mughal Emperor of Delhi, Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur, the Portuguese of Goa and the Siddhi of Janjira. They were powerful opponents, means competitor, and hard, solid in their authority. Means they have powers and rights to give orders, make decisions. No one would talk even a word against these powers. But in spite, even though they were very powerful, Shivaji Maharaj had taken the oath of Swaraj. Now these powers such as Adil Shah of Bijapur, Portuguese of Goa, Siddhi of Janjira and the Mughal Emperor of Delhi had vast forces, means large body of people. Many people was there who was trained, given training for warfare, ladai. They have huge army. On the other hand, Shivaji Maharaj have very limited handful of Maulas, only some of their friends. But Shivaji's mind was made up. He had already done in his mind. He had decided that I have to get Swaraj for my people. This was his moral support strength. Torana Fort. Shivaji Maharaj controlled the Jagir of Pune, Supe, Chakan and Indapur. All the forts in the Jagir was run, means it was managed, supervised, controlled by the officers from the court of Bijapur. The thing was that he who controlled the forts can also control the surrounding territory, the surrounded area. Means area of land will be under particular ruler who have won the fort. Therefore, to achieve the Swaraj, to capture forts was very much important. Without having control on the fort, everything would be meaningless. A hill fort gave strategic, means plant support to the ruler. Meaning of this, he can get maximum advantage if he capture the hill fort. So to capture the hill fort was very much important. And thus Shivaji Maharaj decided to capture one fort at a suitable one time. For this he had selected the fort of Torana. It stands to the southwest of Pune in the Kannad Valley. It was a renowned fort, means famous fort, well suitable for, means it was right exact for defense, law, military. There were 2 strong machis on the way to the fort, as you can see in the picture. A machi is a fortification, means a protection, a wall which guard a place from any attack. If anybody attack, then this strong fortification can protect it. It was of a natural plateau, large area of high flat land formed on the slope of a hill. One of these machis was the Zunjar Machi and the other the Budhla Machi. Like its name, Zunjar Machi, it was a powerful defense, means can protect from powerful attack. If anybody, any enemy could attack, then it can protect. The entry to the fort was possible only by passing Zunjar Machi. So it was a very difficult passing through these high hills on one side and deep valley on the other side. As you can see, A careless person, because of his carelessness, may easily lose his balance and can end his life fall down in the deep valley. Torana was considered made up carefully, one of the strong fort of Maharashtra. In the fort there is a temple of goddess Toranzai. That is why the fort is called the Torana fort. But this strong and powerful fort was neglected, means proper attention was not given by Adil Shah. There were not even soldiers, military to protect it, nor enough ammunition, means materials to protect it. Now Shivaji Maharaj knew this, and this was exactly what he wanted, because he wanted to capture the fort. Thus he decided to capture this fort and lay the foundation, means he wanted to make a good start to develop Hindavi Swaraj. The drums of Swaraj began to sound. With few Maulas, Shivaji went down into the Kannad valley. They were very swift-footed, means active, fast, speedy, like deer, hiran ki tarah tez, and lion-hearted, sher-dil, brave in courage. They ran, hurried to the top, and captured the planned positions in the fort. Tanaji Malusare hoisted the Maratha flag at the main entrance. Yesaji Kank, a trustworthy, honest and loyal friend of Shivaji Maharaj, fixed his guards at important points. The fort was captured almost without any refusal, and the sky was filled with the shouts of Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. In this way, the first battle, drums and pipes, dhol baje ke saath, of the Hindavi Swaraj had sounded, and echo means voice, was repeated throughout the valley everywhere. Shivaji Maharaj named this fort Torana Fort as Prachandgarh. The rest of the part of the lesson we'll do in part 2. Thank you.